the World Championships.
Representing Philippines.
6 days a week, Coach Ricardo Otero trains young gymnasts in the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. The hard work and dedication pay off for these gymnasts.
Yung mga goal namin, makarating sila sa nationals, makapag-compete sa international level, at yung gymnastics sa Pilipinas kahit papano makatapat naman yung unang target is SEA Games, Asian Games, then susunod-sunod na.
12-year-old Carlos Yulo trains in this group. He was Palaro's all-around gymnastics champion in 2011. Yulo began his training at the age of 7. He dreams of winning a gold at the Southeast Asian Games. It has not been easy, but he is well on his way.
2009 po yung Palarong Tacloban. Ako po ay natalo. Dahil po, di ako nag-training maigi. Bumalik po ako dito at nag-training na nag-training. Yung 2011, May 20, sa Sambanga, nanalo po ako. Champion. Sa susunod na palaro, sana po maging champion ako.
Kaloy, kamusta?
Hello po, okay lang po.
Nanalo ka ng gold medal sa World Championship.
Oo nga po.
Totoo ba na hindi mo siya ini-expect? You didn't think you could beat yung mga kalaban mo?
Hindi po talaga. Kasi nung nakita ko po yung score, parang okay lang kahit magkamali na ako. Parang gano'n po yung naramdaman ko. Pero kasi maganda din naman po yung training ko bago ako pumunta dito.
Marami rin po ups and downs. Lalo na po yung downs. Parang ayaw na po talaga mag-training. So namuwi. Pero syempre po, tinesting ko rin kung anong mapapala ko kapag ganito yung training ko.
At that time, PSC was not giving any money, so I had to get money from him. So for 2 years, Philippine Good Works Foundation supported him. After the 3rd year, PSC started to support him.
The MVP Sports Foundation was also vital in enabling Yulo to train in Japan under Japanese coach Munehiro Kugiyama. Now with his latest medal, Yulo has already hurdled one of the qualifying tournaments for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. But with it also comes the pressure of winning the Philippines' first ever gold medal in the quadrennial meet.
Tumutugtog na yung pambansang awit ng Pilipinas at nasuot mo ang gold medal. Anong naramdaman mo?
Ano po, basta tumaas po yung lahat ng balay po sa atin. Tapos nag-prepare ako kay God na nag-thank you ako sa kanya. Yan po.
Nice.
Yo, Japan!
Yeah!